So if you guys went for a headshot, you would have hit the ceiling behind it. But you guys are all good now.
All right.
That's all good to go. Send you back out there.
Yeah, can you set the feet right? 8 right. Oh, 8 was right.
8 yards.
All right.
Oh, that'd be awful.
There you go.
All right, thanks. All that.
Yeah, probably a better idea to do it like that.
Click the thing back.
Do I gotta set right?
What's up?
Do I gotta set right, or do I still got it on safety?
Let me see.
Still shooting left. What about 6 more clicks left?
You got a round in there.
Whatever, yeah. It has to, okay. So if you're directly on left to right, you will always be directly on left to right. But up and down is less important.
Far out. What it was is that when you had the round in there, you probably
Yeah.
helped this forward and put it all in the
Gotta get it
battery.
rough.
When this mag's expended, this bolt will stay back. So
Yeah,
when you
that
have it, when
sucks.
you want to put it forward, just press that button. It's a lot easier. But you're all good to go now, though. So just take it off safety. You're good to go.
Those are orange and black. I'm getting an ESS chassis for that thing. That thing's way too much fun. It's stupid. They put it in the lighter than my friend's plane too. And it's like it really recoils much than I've been at. It's awful. I do have to flinch. I normally don't flinch. That's good stuff. I'm just finding what it likes.
The red tip is just
So they can make these more like work. Better.
Okay, I was just making sure they weren't like.
Fade away.
I saw the red, I'm like,
Oh yeah, I'm too.
yeah. I want you to
I would never shoot
Wanna
tracers
go?
anywhere within 1,000 miles.
Yeah, not in Ohio.
My motherfucking ears is ringing. It's on safety. You gotta turn it that way to get it on safety.
Yeah, all safety.
Yeah, it's on safety now. Just turn the thing down and look through the scope like on Call of Duty and just hold it tight. You got it.
Thank you.
Busting that shit.
I hate these Savage mags that come with it. They're awful.
That's all.
What?
What kind of bags do you have?
Oh goodness.
That was all.
Dang.
Yeah.